Hello everyone. Today we're going to paint a character from Chainsaw Man, Katana Man. Find a light flesh color to give your hands a base color. Red flesh with a touch of brown. Shadows can be drawn for the hands. The color under the blade here can paint shadow color. Light gray can be applied to the whole blade part. Under the coat, do a color separation process. This blend of colors can be splashed all over the face. Draw the shadow color of the teeth. The color of the surface affected by light. When mixing colors, pay attention to the large proportion of blue and gray. Draw the smooth surface of the trousers. Make a color separation between light and shadow. Dark gray monochrome. You can draw the natural color of the shoe part. Finally, let's look at the effect presentation.